Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and we are happy to have you here again today. And as you know, our programs are here for you so you can make your mark in life and also be relevant and achieve whatever goal you have. Like I always say, it is very important for you to watch previous programs if this is your first time of coming here. And even if it is not, but you have not watched the previous programs, you need to watch them. Why? Because we build our programs one on the other. So we may be talking about something today, which we have dealt with in details in the previous, sessions. Also, I would like to encourage you to take the next minute to invite a friend, message someone, and let them join this program together with you, and also like and share this channel. Thank you so much for always being supportive. Today we're starting a new topic, and it's very important. As always, we talk about what matters and we equip you with the right tools to make you relevant and leave a legacy that will go way beyond your lifespan. So our topic for today is on excellence, but I will be giving you some tips to start with, and then we'll be continuing on this topic. So tips to achieve excellence, tips to achieve excellence. And it is very, very important for us to, pay attention to what matters. And I don't know and have never seen yet any person who desires not to be excellent in something. I see that everybody desires excellence. And you always know that excellence is awarded. When you go to school, those who get the excellent marks, they receive prizes. Excellence is a mark of being legitimate. Excellence is not necessarily being the biggest or the first or whatever, but excellence is bringing out what you can at your best. And excellence also is, tied to a certain level or a mark that is set. So if there is a mark set, then you have to really strive to get to that mark. What are some of the tips that you need for achieving excellence? The first thing I want to say is that you need to have a strong desire for excellence, a strong desire for excellence. And I'm emphasizing the word strong because if your a desire is not strong, then you will never be able to achieve excellence. Passion is the first most important step for you to achieve or reach in excellence. You need to have that passion, something that drives you. So you need to see what you want to achieve as very important and primarily, and it is very, very, very needed right now. If you really desire to achieve excellence, then my encouragement to you is that begin to have a strong desire. Strong desire. A strong desire is what makes you wake up. A strong desire is what makes you give up certain things. A strong desire is what causes you to be able to strive towards the mark, notwithstanding what is on the way. The second thing that you will need is to be able to make or have firm blueprints. Make sure that you have the patterns. Make sure that you have the how, the what of what you want to achieve excellence in. It is very, very important because every long-term goal we make has to be supported by a solid plan. Every long-term goal has to be supported by a solid plan. So have a strong blueprint, build solid plans. Strong desire alone cannot make you achieve excellence, but you need to have a firm blueprint. You need to make that, solid plan. So a plan that is fixed, a plan that is workable, a plan that makes sense, a plan that you can read and implement, not fantasy, not, ideology, but we are talking about stuff that work. Oh, how I wish you get this, into your system and begin to use these tips to steps towards achieving excellence. So I've spoken so far about your desire. That has to be a strong one, not a withering, not a shaky, not a wishy-washy. And also you need to get a blueprint or a solid plan that you can follow, that is workable, that is not theoretical, that is not ideological, but it is practical and workable. Well, if you have just joined this channel, this is Today's Family, and I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and we are here to help you make your mark and also build excellence in the things that you do. If you have just joined us, I want you to know we want you to achieve excellence, and that's why today we're talking about the tips that you need to get excellence, and then later we'll get into it in details in the next coming programs. So I will encourage you to stick here and always make sure you get what we are giving. Well, in continuing, the third thing that I believe you need to get as you are seeking to achieve excellence is to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe you can do it. Don't put your hope in other people. Don't put your hope in stuff around you. Believe in yourself. And when you believe in yourself, that causes you to begin to move towards what you want. So when you know I can do it, and you have assessed the plan, and you have the desire, you know that you need to maybe get A or B or C in order to achieve it. So believing in yourself will actually stir you up to be able to get, even if it is knowledge or whatever you need in order to get the stuff going, you will go get it. So believe in yourself that you can do it. It is doable. And one of the truths of life is that whatever you believe, if you pursue it and you look for what is needed to make it happen, it will happen. It may not happen in a day, and nothing happens in a day, actually. Why? Because things have time and have seasons. If you want to have a child, maybe you are married, you need to first impregnate your wife. And it takes 9 months for that child to be born. So you cannot have a desire to have a child today. But that plan starts with sowing a seed. And the seed must be conceived. And it takes a 9-month period. So these are things that you need to watch out for. So make sure you are not believing in the system. You are not believing in the status quo. You are believing in yourself. And believing in yourself does not mean you don't listen to anybody. You don't work with anyone. I am the best. No, but believing in yourself has to do with whatever it is that I want to achieve, I can achieve. Why? Because I have what it takes. And the first thing is the strong desire. The second thing is the great plan. And once you believe that, come on, it's going to work out for you. Let's go to point number 4. We have to stay in learning every time. So be still consistently learning. But learning how? Learning from models, learning from people who have achieved. Whatever you are going to do today, somebody has already done it. Whatever you want to achieve tomorrow, there is someone who have done it or attempted to do it. When you study the lives of those people, you will know what you need in order to get there. And especially when you study from successful people who are models of what you want to do, you will be able to make less mistakes and achieve more. They are always ready to assist and to advise. So I will encourage you to believe in yourself, but beyond believing in yourself, try to learn from the best. Try to learn from the best. Look for the best in the area that you are getting into. That is how you achieve excellence. We're talking about excellence, not mediocrity, not wishy-washy, not just anyhow, but we're talking about excellence. So please make sure that you learn, but learn from the best. Who are you learning from today? Who is your mentor? Who is your teacher? Your teacher will determine where you get to. Your mentor will determine where you get to. If the teacher is mediocre, you're going to get a mediocre education. If your teacher is excellent, you're going to get excellent education. And because you have the desire, because you have the plan, because you believe in yourself, and because you have that model, the best model, you are going to make it. Please don't look for somebody on your level. Don't look for somebody in your own category, but look for someone who is better than you. And if possible, the best. When you learn from the best, the rest is easy to do. Point number 5, you have to work, W-O-R-K, work, and not just work, but work hard. You know, when I was growing up, whenever I hear work hard, I understood it to be do something and be exhausted by it, do something and you don't have feeling for anything anymore. Your whole body is hurting, your head is loaded up, and there is no desire for anything. That means I have worked out. No, working hard is not working to be tired. Working hard is not working to be exhausted, although sometimes because of much input that you put into something, you may feel, physically drained and all that. But working hard is putting your everything, your maximum, stretching yourself to the last and becoming what you want to do. And because you have the love and you have the understanding and the knowledge for the thing that you want to do, putting in that effort does not wear you out actually, but it makes you happy because you know the investment will pay off. Please work hard. So hard work is not killing yourself, tiring yourself up and becoming, useless. But working hard is bringing the best out of you. Use the maximum, prioritize the time, and do what is needful. And finally, never ever give up. Why do I say so? Because you may want to give up. At a point you get tired, at a point it becomes boring, at a point you don't see results. It's like when you put a seed in the ground, you water it today, you come back tomorrow, it's just but that dirt and you don't see anything. Maybe after a few days, nothing still happens. But then in 4 or 5 days, you begin to see something sprouting, but there's no life in it. You may come and the sun may have burnt it a little bit, it's looking like it's dying, but you still keep watering and then it's going to happen. So never, ever give up. The moment you give up, you abort the purpose. You abort the vision. Many people who succeed in making a mark in life are those who went a step further when they did not succeed in the previous. How many experiments did Thomas Edison do before he brought what he did? Look, never, ever give up. This has been your program, Today's Family. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and I look forward to seeing you next week because there is a lot for us to say. What I gave you today is just tidbits, and you cannot make your excellent mark just with these tidbits because we are going to we open up the tidbits for you to see what is involved in all. So before you stride towards excellence, please make sure that you have a strong desire. Make sure that you have the blueprints and the strong plan in place, and make sure you are believing in yourself and you're learning from the best and you're working hard and you are never, ever giving up. I wish you all the best until we see you next week. This has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher. Bye-bye.